What's up, guys? Welcome back to my vlogless channel. I do not have much activity going on up here, obviously, but because things have just been so chaotic, I haven't had much content to upload. So I'm going to try to get back up on that game. But until then, I do have my March Bibbidi Boppity box. Look at it. It is still wrapped. Forgive my nails. I can't get to a shop right now because everything is closed. So I'm not gonna get into the details of this box because we all know what it is at this point. So I am just going to dive right in to the sucker, and we're gonna get started. Hold on, I gotta do this. My children are joining me too. They want to be part of the chaos.
Bobby, see me?
Yes. Yeah, I see you.
Look.
Stop. Okay.
Look, it's a copy.
All right, watch out. All right, let's do this.
Good.
All right. The dude at the door scared me though, because I was not expecting it to come. Like the second I cracked open my door. I'm just trying to get the tape off. Oh God, I should not be wielding scissors. Move your fingers. Why? Okay. All right. Yep. Ta-da! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's a boat, son. It's a boat.
All right. Okay, hold on. Wait, I'm not trying to show things. No, don't turn the light off. No, turn the light on.
Right there.
Come sit down. I will not record with you again. Okay. Oh, that's always tough. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all take a look at it first. Oh, don't do that!
Oh, it's better. You're mare.
RJ, don't do that.
Oh, mare.
If you can dream it, you can do it. I feel like 80% of this video is just like me yelling at my child. I'm totally gonna frame that.
Oh, chickens in here now.
Chill. My spoiler alert with Figment. I'm not a big Figment person, but I'll just take it. Okay. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Yes. It's gonna be a
dog.
nice spot. Yeah.
Dive right in to look at stuff. Little foolsies. Ooh. Hey! No! Mine!
Hey.
Yo, first Disney park snack. Never been to Disney. First snack. Hells yeah.
I'm gonna eat
Don't touch!
I'm gonna eat it.
I'm totally gonna tear that up. That
That's
won't
not
last long.
fair.
I'm going to do it. Oh, you go. You made me cry. Whatever this is, I'm about to cry.
Okay, stop
I'm sorry. I'm about to cry.
Take it out.
I can't. No.
Mm.
These two things in here alone are about to make me just freaking cry. Alright, let's do this.
Good.
Alright. I have to do this. Hold on, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Hold on, I'm just...
Bobby, look, something else. Money in my pocket. Something else. Money in my pocket.
Aladdin's my favorite movie, hands down. Jasmine is my favorite princess.
That's not my favorite.
Oh my God, y'all, look at this.
Jasmine! Jasmine!
I got a Princess Jasmine pin.
It's
You
so
guys,
like
it is a Disney park exclusive.
I
need to go get a pin board. I need a pin board.
Bobby.
First of all, can I just speak on the fact that I told them purple is my favorite color and everything in here is purple?
Bobby, you saw something else.
I am about to
Freak out.
freak out everything. I got a freaking Alex and Ani.
What are your ears?
Requested this.
Mommy, what are your ears?
I didn't want ears because they take up too much of my box. You guys, this is the specific item I requested in my box. I'm looking at two different cameras right now, so God forgive me if I'm looking like really crazy right now. I'm doing this on my YouTube channel and I'm live on Instagram right now, so this is just really this is just everywhere. And now I have a phone call coming in. You gotta give me a second. Okay. I requested this exact bracelet. This is my very first Alex and Ani bracelet. I'm shaking. Dude, can you sit down?
Okay.
Please sit down. Oh.
You give $100.
My
Oh, you watch this.
God Almighty! No! Stop! Seriously, this is the exact way.
Oh, watch this.
Listen to
Watch
me.
this, RJ. Come here.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
I have to push.
Move. Oh my God. So one side, hold on. I'm trying to have it so both cameras can get it. I'm failing terribly. One side has Jasmine and Raja. And the other side has Hearts of Courage. I really don't know how much you can hear with my children in the background. I am so sorry. And a little, like, other... Stop, guys! Stop! And I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, that's it. Best box, hands down! Thank you guys so much. I can't even deal. Can't even deal.
We'll do a battle. That's it.
I'll leave some more information about the box in another video because right now my kids are going crazy. Sorry. Thanks, guys.